Let's talk about AI. You've probably used it, maybe to write an email or help with homework. It feels like magic, but that magic comes with a price. Every question, every image, is like dropping another coin in the meter. Those monthly fees add up fast, and you're always using someone else's computer. But what if you could have that AI power on your own PC? No more subscriptions, no more privacy worries. Imagine a personal AI assistant that works just for you, right at home. You buy the parts, you build it, and it's yours, forever. This isn't just for tech billionaires. If you've built a PC or installed a program, you can do this. We'll show you how to turn your desktop into an AI powerhouse. All you need is a good GPU and some free software. Forget the cloud. Let's build your own AI, right here. It's like learning to cook instead of always ordering takeout. A little intimidating at first, but incredibly rewarding. You'll experiment, tweak, and create things nobody else has. This guide is your recipe book. Let's get started and build your AI with confidence. To build your home AI, you need 3 free tools: Ollama, WebUI, and MCP. Ollama is the engine. It runs the AI models on your computer, making it easy to download and use different brains. Without Ollama, running AI models would be a headache. Next is WebUI, the dashboard. It gives you a clean chat-style interface so you don't have to use a clunky command line. You can organize chats, switch models, and use your AI just like popular online chatbots. Finally, MCP, my custom prompt, is the turbocharger. It lets your AI search the web or follow special instructions. MCP acts as a bridge, adding new features and connecting your AI to real-time information. Together, these tools form a powerful open-source ecosystem. Ollama runs the models, WebUI gives you a great chat window, and MCP adds advanced features. All are free and open source, giving you total control. This setup is the foundation for your home AI powerhouse. Let's dive in. The heart of your AI system is the GPU, your graphics card. The same hardware that powers video games is perfect for AI, thanks to its ability to handle thousands of tasks at once. For AI, VRAM is key. The more VRAM, the bigger the AI models you can run. An NVIDIA GPU with at least 8 GB of VRAM is a great start. Think RTX 3060 or 4060. For larger models, aim for 12 GB, 16 GB, or more like an RTX 3090 or 4090. NVIDIA is the best choice since most AI tools are built for their CUDA platform. AMD and Intel are improving, but setup is trickier for beginners. You don't need the most expensive card, many gaming PCs already have what you need. Match your GPU's VRAM to the size of the models you want to run. Start small, upgrade later if you want more power. Your GPU is your AI's engine. Choose wisely. Before installing AI software, your computer needs the right drivers. For NVIDIA cards, download the latest studio or game-ready driver from NVIDIA's website. Choose custom installation and clean install to avoid issues. Next, install the CUDA toolkit. This lets AI software use your GPU's full power. Download the version that matches your operating system and follow the prompts. Restart your computer after installing both. This setup ensures your GPU is ready for AI tasks. It's just 2 downloads and a restart, simple but crucial. Now your hardware is primed for action. With your GPU ready, it's time to install Ollama, the AI engine. Go to ollama.com and download the installer for your system. Windows users double-click the file. Mac and Linux users copy a command into the terminal. Once installed, Ollama runs quietly in the background. To test it, open your command prompt or terminal. Type Ollama run llama 3 and press enter. Ollama downloads the model and starts a chat session. The first download takes a few minutes, but after that it's instant. You're now chatting with an AI running 100% on your machine. Try asking it a question. You'll see the answer appear right away. To exit, type /buy. You can explore other models on the Ollama website and run them just as easily. With Ollama installed, you're ready for a real chat interface. The terminal works, but a real chat interface is better. WebUI gives your AI a modern, user-friendly dashboard. To install it, first download Docker Desktop from the official site and follow the instructions. Once Docker is running, copy the OpenWebUI install command from its guide and paste it into your terminal. Docker handles the rest. Downloading and running OpenWebUI. Open your browser and go to http://localhost3000. Create your user account, and you'll see a beautiful chat interface. OpenWebUI automatically detects your Ollama models. Select a model and start chatting, no coding required. You can organize chats, switch models, and enjoy a polished experience. You've connected Ollama's engine to a sleek dashboard. Now let's add some superpowers. Next up, MCP. Want your AI to search the web or follow custom instructions? That's where MCP comes in. Like Open WebUI, MCP installs with a single Docker command from its website or GitHub. Run the command in your terminal, Docker does the rest. In Open WebUI, go to Settings, then Connections, and change the Ollama API address to MCP's default http/localhost 8080. Now your chat flows from you to Open WebUI to MCP to Ollama. To use web search, type at web followed by your question. MCP fetches real-time info and gives it to your AI. Your private AI now has a live connection to the world. You've unlocked next-level capabilities. You've built a high-performance AI system at home. Ollama, Open WebUI, and MCP working together. The payoff? Privacy. Every conversation stays on your computer. No company servers, no prying eyes. Cost? After buying your GPU, running your AI is free. No subscriptions, no usage limits. Over time, you'll save hundreds or thousands compared to cloud AI. Speed? Local AI means instant responses. No internet lag. Customization. Download new models, tweak instructions, and build specialized assistants for any task. You control everything. Building your own AI powerhouse is about taking control of your data, your money, and your creativity. The steps are accessible to anyone with patience and curiosity. You don't need to be a programmer, just willing to learn. So go ahead, give it a try. The future of AI isn't just in the cloud, it's right on your desktop. You own it, you control it, and the possibilities are endless. Welcome to your personal AI revolution.